It's just such a gloomy day still. It's the same day, it's just later. I'm going over here to get my family or something to eat. So, the weather's just been so bad the last week and a half. I don't know if we've seen the sunshine maybe part of one day. Got something rolling around in the back there. What it is. I'll figure it out. Huh. Who knows? She wants an RV sandwich, so that's what we'll get. Raindrops keep falling over my head. I gotta get my radio fixed in here so I can listen to something. Well, at least the clock's not going right. Got my parking lights on. I just stopped and put some gas in here. I love how much gas you get for 20 bucks or whatever. Unless you're gonna fill up. I fill my truck up. I'm not gonna fill this up. So, go to Arby's. Mix or match, 2 for $5. I wonder what they got. Roast beef, cheddar, roast beef. Either one. Leave the camera spine on McDonald's while I'm in there. Yeah, we did. No. I miss it. Okay, let's play something on my phone. See rear defroster. Let's see hatch. Find out what that is. Something making a noise. Sounds like a back windshield wiper. Who knows? It's not moving, but it sounds like it goes off the deep end. 23-year-old car, I guess. 25-year-old. I guess anything could happen. Well, what was happening at McDonald's while I was in Arby's? Go ahead there, young man. He's checking his food order. Oh, go ahead there, man. Oh, he's taking a bite before he pulls it out. See, some people would have got mad over that. That don't bother me. I got a building in back glass ain't latched. That's what I got. There's no light on it. It says it's not latched. Possibility that I left something when I was changing my nephew's tire that day. I left something running on the dang sweet tire down. I got a flat tire down the rescue. 15 cents more back there than it is a mile back that way, a mile and a quarter. So 15 cents cheaper down here. This is Phillips 66 gas, and that's Marathon. It don't matter to me what kind of gas. It's just all gas in my opinion, regular or whatever. If I throw that bullshit out there, this is high octane. Probably buying the same thing. Don't believe your eyes. It's like believing everything you hear on the internet. I read an article this morning that said Marlboro's going to quit making cigarettes. I'm like, I don't believe that. That's their business. They make cigarettes. Said they invested in these big weed companies. I don't know. You read so much stuff on there. It's like the poor guy, Nick Sandman. He's my hero today. I don't care what anybody says. That kid didn't do nothing to that old man. That old man had an agenda. He walked up and got in that boy's face. What was he supposed to do? They weren't saying anything bad. They were chanting, doing a school chant. See, the media jumped all over that like those kids were wrong. That's why I don't trust the media. Another reason I don't trust the media, because they never get their stories right. They lie, cheat. They might as well steal off of you. They lie about everything. So, I'm riding down AJ Highway. I'm down here to visit a friend. AJ Highway in the sunshine. There's where Haley's little dog comes from. I'm old bit. Her little dog Phoenix, the little black one. That little dog loves me. She just eats me up. She's don't like strangers too much. She gets used to you, she's okay. But some people she just won't take to, you know. Like she'll warm up to some people and then she's okay with you. But there's some people that even people that I know that love dogs, you know, they're animal lovers that come over to the house sometimes and she just will not warm up to them for some reason. And I don't know what it is. I mean she's like part Chihuahua, they're weird anyway. But I think she's got like half a miniature Doberman, because she looks like a mix between a miniature Doberman and a Chihuahua. There was a pop in an unmarked car right there, but I was doing 56 and a 55. I'm glad I wasn't just hauling ass, you know. Could have been. I usually don't. I usually drive. I'm usually pap-hauling at the speed limit, you know. So, I'm still drinking coffee. Yeah. Well, there goes that light on again. I don't know what that is. Next going. It'll go off. I really believe what this thing needs is like take it out and just run it. Just put the foot down on it for a minute and a half, and just let it just air it out. You know what I mean? Just blow it out. It probably needs that more than anything. Or I do it now, but I see blue lights coming behind me. I mean, I don't know where they're going, but I see them coming back there, way back there. But there's cars now. I don't know. They're over in the other lane now. Looks like pulling somebody over or what they're doing. That's probably that unmarked. Probably got someone in turn coming to the side. Oh, where's the tour bus for sale? If I was rich, I'd buy that for Taylor's band and they could go on the road if they could get the show. That's who it is. That's that unmarked guy that I just passed. He got one. Somebody was probably doing 60. They sit down here and just freaking collect fees off of people that can't afford it all the time. Just all the time bothering people. You know, running a little bit over the speed limit. Oh well. You got better crimes to solve, in my opinion. Don't worry about people running a little bit fast. Hell, it's a lot prettier day today than it's been. At least it's in the 40s. Good Lord, it's been horrible the last few months. And it's supposed to rain though today, and then tomorrow it's supposed to be more rain. My wind cracked. I gotta take my lawnmower this weekend and drop it off. I can't figure it out, guys. I'm just too dumb on the wiring, so I'll take it to somebody that can fix it. And maybe I'll get it back in one piece. I'm taking it in 3 pieces. No, I'm just kidding. I'm gonna take it with the seat off, and of course I'll take it with me, but I'm gonna leave the battery out and leave the wiring the way I got it, and that way I can explain what happened. Maybe they can fix it, hopefully. Oh Lord. Beast of burden. Music on the radio. All the gas is going back up. 2 something. 209, and it took a jump. I can tell you that right now. I don't stop a minute, but I don't really need any gas. I gotta get something else, so. Oh Lord. I hate to see it going back up. So that's for that. I guess they'll blame that on the president. They blame everything else on. Oh, I don't even watch the news anymore. Here it is, another gloomy day. Rain, snow mix, it's 32 degrees. Man, I'm getting cabin fever. I need a week of sunshine. Yeah, just something outdoors. Outdoors, fresh air, all that good stuff. I gotta get some music in here. I had a guy try to buy this yesterday. He said, "You gonna keep it?" And I said, "Well, I want to, but as much people was price of paint it, I don't know if I will or not, because it's gonna have to have a paint job. It'd be different if I had plenty of money and I could just like redo this vehicle back factory. That's the way I'd like to do it. And, have it as a showpiece and just drive it, you know, once in a while. And that's what I'd really like to do. Maybe something will happen. I'll get to do that. So I've got a guy in mind that can paint it, but it's expensive, so it's more than I paid for the vehicle. So we'll see. Time will tell. There's 4 people that's asked me if I'd sell it. And I said no. Nobody asked me how much. They just asked me if I'd sell it. Because when I said no, I don't really want to sell it, I guess there wasn't no point in them asking me a price, and I didn't give them one. So, come on out there. The place there's busy for it to be a golf shop. I tell you what, it costs so much to go play golf. I used to love to play golf, but I sucked at it so bad. But I did like to play. I used to have a buddy, Danny Roy. He little short guy, looked like a surfer dude, but he was from here to here. He looked like somebody from California, but passport now. But oh, he was crazy off the golf course. He carries beer for a game. He carries beer up there.